Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the essentials and then begin the repair. Make sure your device clock matches network time. Wrong time breaks tokens. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Slow networks time out. You should have your recovery email or phone ready and any secondary device where you're signed in. Open the Google sign-in screen or Gmail app and tap Forgot Password if needed. This kicks off the verification flow you'll follow next. Now you'll work through identity verification steps to regain access. Follow the prompts. Choose SMS, recovery email, or a device prompt, whichever you can access fastest. If you're asked about recent activity, pick plausible answers. Google uses those to confirm it's you. For accounts with two-step verification, open your Authenticator app or locate backup codes. Once verified, set a new strong password. Make sure to update saved password. Finish by securing the account so this won't repeat. Change the password to a unique phrase, then enable two-step verification and add a backup phone or email. This prevents future lockouts. Review devices and security activity, and remove unknown devices or app access. Once done, sign out of stale sessions and update saved credentials. If you still can't sign in because Google blocked the attempt, submit the account recovery form and wait 24 to 48 hours. If that fails, try the form again with more details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.